morning, good afternoon, and good night. It is. Yes, baby. You coming to make breakfast with Mama?
Yes, what did you
Huh?
make?
Pancakes. You want pancakes, right?
Yeah. But I want a little bit of cake.
You want a little bit of cake?
Yeah.
What kind of cake? Come on, put your chin.
The cake that you make.
No, we're making pancake now. We make cake later for dinner. Okay?
Okay, Mama.
Say some morning to the face.
Morning, please.
I'm making breakfast.
Mama. The pillow that I tell you that is very far, far in the ground beside the green pan.
What happened?
The pillow fell beside the green pan.
Your pillow?
Yes.
That's okay, we'll take it up. Can you go and tell Papa to give you a milk, please?
Okay.
Papa, may I have a milk, please? You guys, we are up and it's breakfast time. We slept in a little bit late this morning. That's okay, the rest is always good. We have nothing really planned for the day, but we're just gonna let the day flow really. So we're just here about to whip up breakfast real quick. Everybody's up at the same time, so that's good. So it's breakfast time around here. We're gonna make pancakes and eggs, and then we grub and see what else we're gonna do for today. Let's see how hot it's gonna be outside. See if we can try out a bit, enjoying these few days as just the three of us for the last time until baby girl decide to come. So that way I don't just stuck in the house, I continue staying active. But yeah, that's what's up right now. Hopefully you guys are having a good day. Stay loved, stay blessed, stay motivated. Love you guys. Yeah, comment down below and let me know what you guys having for breakfast this morning, even though it's always dread to ask you guys when I know my Jamaican's gonna tell me patty when I've been craving patty non-stop. Thank you for the milk, guys. You want to mix it? Alright, let me throw the milk in and then you can mix it. No, you can't do it all by yourself. I'll help you to a point and then you finish, because it's gonna make a mess if you do it by yourself. Okay? It's too much in the pan. So Mama have to help you a bit, okay? You see, even Mama making a mess. Is it fall on your foot?
Yes.
Okay, continue mixing while Mama go correct this. Take your time.
You make a mess.
Mama make a mess.
Yes.
It's on your toes.
Yes. And you too.
Oh yeah. It's hot?
Yes.
Okay, mix it, mix it.
Whoa, what you making?
Pancake. So we have the butter in there, and we have the pancake mix, and we have the milk. Okay.
Hi guys.
Ah, papa il savait.
Allez, regarde ce que tu fais, regarde ce que tu fais.
Ah, papa,
It's time.
tu sais quoi?
Non, je sais pas quoi.
Maman, il a
Okay, we finished mixing.
il a juste mélangé comme un cochon parce que where can I open it?
Squeeze it strong. Okay. Very good. Bravo. Enjoy breakfast, okay?
Bon
Thank
appétit.
you for setting the table for Mama. You did a good
You're
job.
welcome.
Thank you, baby.
And every day.
Of course, you're nice every day. Since most of my energy lies in the morning, I'm on a mission right now. I'm just gonna cook up a storm, make a bunch of food to be in this house because anything can happen any day now. And yes, Ty. Okay. So I'm just cooking some stuff that way we can have lunch, dinner, and leftovers. And I'm also going to bake this cake mix that I have. And I'm just gonna add some banana that I have in it that is here overripe. So I'm just crushing that banana right now. And then I'm gonna show you guys all the things that I'm going to cook for today. The thing is, most of my energy lies in the morning, so I like to finish everything in the morning so that way I can sit and like edit or just relax for the rest of the day, because once it touch afternoon my energy is gone until probably in the night again, if I feel like going for a walk on the treadmill or something. But yeah, I'm going to just dash out my energy right now and everything that I want to do this morning. I mean, standing wise. And my foot start to be swollen a little bit, though they've been rubbing them every night, and that helps. But yeah, gotta do it, gotta do it. So it's just a plain cake mix, and I mashed some banana and I'm just gonna add it to it. It's just gonna give it a banana flavor. And there goes the oven ready, just in time for this mix. And so there we go, we're gonna put this in the oven and let it bake for about 30 minutes. That was so cute. I heard you and I had to come and see what you were doing. That was good. Good job. You love your guitar, huh? Just like Papi?
Yeah.
Alright. I realized that he's into his guitar a lot lately. I don't know if he's influenced by his grandfather, babe, dad play music. So Papi will be happy to see that footage of Tyler playing guitar. Anyway, you guys, the first protein I'm going to do today for dinner or whatever we want to eat it for is some chicken. And over here I have a pot that's preheated that I'm going to just put them in there, let them get some color. Oh, that smells so good already. Yes. You know, my girl Kimmy sent me some bunch of seasoning, and one of the seasoning she sent me is oxtail seasoning, and I've never seen that oxtail seasoning before, and trust me, I use it with almost everything, and it's the bomb.com. If you're Jamaican and you can get oxtail seasoning where you are, it's so good. It has pepper in it because I don't add pepper to whatever I'm cooking, and you can taste the pepper coming from the oxtail seasoning. It's really good. The other day I used it. I was making some chicken and rice, cook it together, and the oxtail seasoning from the seasoned chicken made the rice a little bit pepper, and it peppered to the point where Tyler didn't enjoy the rice. I had to give him plain rice. But the oxtail seasoning is really good. Really good. It gives a lot of flavor with whatever you're cooking. So I'm making that chicken, and then I'm going to make some salmon that I have. I think that's the 2 protein that I'm doing today. And I have rice over here in the rice cooker that is cooking. That needs some water though, girl. That needs some water. So I have rice here going. That's the only starch I'm cooking today, and I might cook some veggies. Let's see how that goes. So while I'm cooking, the boys outside washing this carpet that I've been wanting to wash since forever. So they're doing it the Jamaican way. They'll be tired when they finish.
Give me some water.
You want water to drink?
Yeah.
And Ty wanted to help Papa, so he has his own little brush and help him. Good job, Ty. Okay guys, so that's my chicken right now, and I am gonna throw this seasoning on it, and I have ketchup, a little water, and some assorted sweet peppers and onions in here, and I'm just gonna let this simmer for a bit, and our chicken should be done. I'm gonna drop a piece of thyme in there too. Oh, and I forget my garlic, so I'm gonna add garlic to that, and we should be good to go. And my rice is finished though. Good. Cake is done. Done. You're scrubbing?
No.
Look how Papa wet.
Alright, she's the last one.
Job's done, you guys. Salmon over there, chicken is there, cake is there, and rice is there. Done.
Good job, Tyler. A family. Tyler, we're a family?
Yeah.
Look at his
The
smile.
brightest smile.
Forever smiling with his cute dimples. Give Mama a kiss. Give Mama a kiss.
I'm giving Faves a kiss first.
You're giving Faves kiss first?
Yes.
So Faves get kissed before me?
Yeah. After I kiss with some, don't cry. I'm gonna kiss you some after.
No time to get it before Faves, not after Faves.
But if you get it before Faves, Faves gonna cry too like you.
So you're...
He's right.
So you rather Faves? You rather Mama cry than Faves? Alright, they said thank you, Tyler. No, Mama turn. You change your mind?
Yeah.
It's alright, Papa give Mama a kiss.
Mwah.
hey. So you can still kiss me, but you didn't want to give me kiss. So Papa, give it to me.
But I want to kiss you.
So you can still give me come.
A lot.
Come, one more. Alright. Anyway, that's our antics. You guys, it has been a long day. Though we haven't shown you guys everything, but it has been a long day. We have been working our butts off. Babe did so much. Babe iron. Babe wash carpet. What else you did? That's it.
That took me 2 hours to wash carpet.
And I've been editing, and man, we've been working. You what?
I cook too.
Where?
In the kitchen.
When? And what did you do?
Did you cook with Papa?
No.
What did you do today?
I cook with me. I play with my size. I play in my room. I play with my tablet and the TV. And I also go to the supermarket and the hospital and we are.
Really?
And
You did all of this?
And then I cook again and
How many hours in your day?
100.
I believe you with all those
I wipe the carpet.
You wash the carpet.
Oh, yes, you wash the
And I
carpet.
sleep a long time and I go to school and
He's telling you everything that he's done in a week. You realize that?
School again, and then I go to school again.
He sum up his week. Alright, they get it. Alright, pumpkin. Okay, and now
you're going to school.
And now you're going to bed.
You're going to bed very soon.
Hey, don't do that. 1, 2. Anyway, you guys, we're coming on to end today's vlog. You see my eyes, and I still have this vlog to finish editing. And I need to lay down.
It's
red.
No,
it's red to me.
You think it's red?
Maybe. I have this vlog that I'm ending right now to finish, edit, upload, tag, and make thumbnail and everything for it. We're just coming on to end the vlog. I'm gonna give Babe a haircut because Babe don't get his haircut today. Then his new girl going to come and see him with a head high of hair. So today is a perfect day to get it done, so I'm making handsome. Yeah, so we're gonna do that, and I am not feeling so 100, so I'm going to lay down and finish editing that vlog. But we just want to tell you guys, thank you guys for watching, and whenever you guys seen this video, we're in final phase if baby girl is not here yet. And if you guys probably want to know if she's here, it's best you guys check my Instagram for any hints or any photos or whatever the case may be. But when she's here, you guys will definitely know. Anyway, you guys, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you are new, catch up and keep up with us for all the latest updates. We love you guys, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye guys. Di, come say bye to Faves. Say bye bye to Faves.
Bye bye.
Say see you guys tomorrow.